This video shows how to replace the print heads on the HP DeskJet GT 5810 and 5820 printers. If one print head needs to be replaced, you must replace both print heads at the same time, or an error will occur. First, power on the printer. Extend the input tray. Load plain white paper into the input tray. Adjust the paper width guide so it touches the edge of the paper. Check the ink tanks to make sure all of the ink levels are above the minimum fill line. Close the output tray extender, then rotate the output tray to the left to close it. Make sure the ink valve is unlocked. Open the exterior door, then open the print head access door. Manually move the carriage to the access area in the center of the printer. Push down on the blue carriage latch to open the lid. Press down on the tricolor print head to release it, then pull the print head out of the slot. Hold the print head upright to avoid getting ink on other surfaces, and do not touch the print head towers because they could contain residual ink. Next, press down on the black print head to release it, then pull the print head out of the slot. Open the package and remove the tricolor print head. Pull the orange plug straight up from the top. Pull the protective tape using the orange pull tab. Do not touch the copper-colored contacts or ink nozzles. Touching the contacts or nozzles can result in clogs, ink failure, and bad electrical connections. Slide the print head at an upward angle into the left slot, then push on it until it snaps into place. Open the package and remove the black print head. Pull the orange plug straight up from the top. Pull the protective tape using the orange pull tab. Slide the print head at an upward angle into the right slot, then push on it until it snaps into place. Both print heads must be replaced at the same time to avoid printing issues. Close the blue carriage latch by pushing it down until it snaps into place. The carriage latch must be closed to prevent damage to the printer. Do not open the blue carriage latch after the print heads are installed. Opening the latch might result in ink system errors. Close the print head access door. Close the exterior door. Pull out the output tray, then raise the tray extender. After the print heads are installed, you must align the print heads and prime the ink system. Do not disconnect the power cord or move the printer during the priming process. When you see the blinking P on the printer's control panel, press the Resume button for 3 seconds. The alignment starts when a blinking A appears on the control panel. An alignment page prints. Lift the scanner lid, then place the alignment page print side down on the right front corner of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. On the control panel, press the Start Color Copy button. The page scans and the printer aligns the print heads. After the print heads are aligned, the printer starts the ink priming process. This process can take up to 45 minutes. The printer must remain on until the priming process is complete. You can still print, scan, and make copies while the printer is priming. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Printer Support.